Welcome back to Middlefield Custom Sawmill. The weather changed and I'm out here to saw finally. Today we have this pine log on the mill. This is about a 20-inch, 22-inch pine log. And I'm trying to get some more fence boards out of it for Robert. It's 8 foot long. Oh yeah. If you see me limping around today, I have a very broken toe. Makes it hard to run a skid steer that runs with foot pedals. That was a challenge. Anyway, let's get to this log. All right, so let's see if the saw starts up. Let's see if that's cutting flat. It's not cutting real flat, but it's a knotty pine. It's not too bad. 1/16 of an inch waves. I'll have to go a little bit slower. I think I'll take one more board and then roll her up. I'm going to get a 6-inch piece out of that. I cut much slower that time to see if I get a flatter cut. It might just be the blades getting a little dull. Still got a little bit of a wave. Yeah, it's just the knots. And the blade is kind of dull. Maybe I'll grab a new blade. So before I forget, somebody had asked me how I was hanging the bucket on here. You know, because I put it on there like that. So what I did was, I took the screws that were here out, put longer ones in with a nut on them. You can see there. So they stick out further. Makes it much easier to hang a bucket. Stays on there pretty good. All right, let's roll this log up. Where are you going? Bark coming off everywhere. Okay, I put a new blade on, got that changed. One of the reasons I'm cutting this log today, it's softwood, and I need to get my softwood cut with these old blades because I just bought a box of carbide blades and I really want to try them out. But I got to use hardwood with them, so do some wide slabs, see how nice they cut. So stay tuned because that'll be coming up in the next couple episodes. We'll see what happens with the carbides. But these are just standard 7-degree blades, resharp. Well, let's see if the sharper blade helped keep it flat that time. Oh yeah, I can already tell you it did. Nice and flat. Oh yeah, looks good. Take one more board off here, flip it up, turn it into a cant. In case you're wondering why I'm turning the saw off each time, it's because there's other things I need to do. And it takes time, and I don't have much gasoline, so I'm trying not to waste it. But like when I have to roll the log, that takes, 5 minutes. I'm not going to let it idle, so don't want to waste gas. It's really hard to walk over uneven ground with a broken toe. I think I'll take one more off of there. Gonna be a bit of trimming to do. Let's see what my dimensions are. 10.5 by 10.5. I guess I'll keep going down until I get to 6 and then flip it up. Alrighty, let's cut 4 boards off of there. I took it down to 7.5. I'm going to take the other inch board off the other side just to make sure it's nice and clean. You can see there's some wane here. That's what I want to get rid of. Sawdust again, all full. All right, so there's another board there. And this is a little 1/4 inch. I don't know what I'll do with that. I'll put it over here for now. All I gotta do is stand it up and cut it into 6-inch boards. It's a nice 6x10 there. So these are like 10.5 inches. So I'm just going to go down 1 inch each time and cut 1x1 stickers instead of, throwing the tops away. That's a pile of free stickers there. Oh yeah, come here you. Just occurred to me, I haven't shown you the wood. There it is. Should be pretty decent fence boards from that. Those look rather nice. Don't mind me limping along here. There you go. That'll make a pretty fence. All right, well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned. We'll have some better logs coming up real soon now. See you later. Stickerville. That's a lot of stickers. Hey, it's not frozen anymore. Lovely uneven ground. Ow! Oh, there is no spoon. There is no spoon. Oh.